everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to be back here on YouTube, guys. So I just wanted to come on here. Halloween is on Sunday, and I wanted a wig to go with my costume, but I could not find a red wig. I'm gonna be Spider-Woman. And we're doing like a whole family spider theme thing, and unfortunately I couldn't find a red wig, so I was like, you know what, like, let me just go back to black. But then I was like, you know what, no, I actually want to change it up. I want to do something different. So I came across Outre's Color Bomb wig collection, and I got my hands on Kimani. Here she is right here. Kimani. You can see the color that I did get is the sandstone blonde. I usually do like blonde wigs and stuff, but it's mostly like a honey blonde. I never really did like a sandstone blonde, if you want to say. So we're gonna try it out. Let's see how to go. This is a synthetic wig. Now, for all my viewers out there, these synthetic wigs are nothing compared to like how they used to be back in the 90s and early 2000s. These wigs look like pure human hair wigs, and that's all that I really mostly deal with. I do have human hair wigs too, but I still like to dibble and dabble in a synthetic wig because it's more like you can get up and go. So let's take a look. All right, so we have it here. Let's take it out of the package. Yeah. So let's see. Ooh, this color though. Yes to the color. Golly, it's a lot of stuff in here, but let's take off this net. Whoa, you guys. Look at this color though. See if you can really see it. Oh, my camera's picking it up, but look at this color though. It is soft lace, which is what I like. It looks like a curved part. This is the inside here. Has adjustable straps here in the back. It has 1, 2, 3 combs. You guys can see here. 1, 2, 3 combs. Like I said, it does have the adjustable straps as well. Let me see the hairline. The hairline looks pre-plucked as well. I mean, it's a Halloween wig for me, so it's not really a big deal, but it does look pre-plucked as well. If you guys can see. Might need some more plucking though. But yeah, here's the color, the curls here. Ooh. So it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have a really big head, but I still like to put the adjustable straps in as much as possible, which is what I'm doing now. If I can get it off. So I have one adjustable strap here, and I like to put it, you guys can see, I like to put it right in the middle. Let me do the other one as well. That way it could be as tight as possible so it does not move, but let's try this on. Ooh. Now it is tangly. It's not too bad. Let's see. It's pretty long too. Check and see how long it actually is. I think it's about 24 inches, to be honest. These curls though. See, that's the thing about like synthetic wigs. The curls, and like, you know, you don't really have to do too much to the actual hair, which is what I like, because sometimes you just want to get up and go, ooh, girl, who's that? Who that, girl, who that? Oh snap! That's Olivia. Oh, that's Olivia. Yes, girl. It's Livy. Now I never usually put on makeup, guys. When I put on my wigs, because I like to have a free face and then I put makeup on. But ooh, look at this. Let me see. Is it shedding? It is shedding. I do see some shed hair in my comb. I see a little bit of this much. I see about this much in here. So definitely expect some shedding. And for some reason it is kind of tangly too. Let me see, hold on. All right, I just got that tangle out, but it is type tangly too. But I mean, actually it's not that bad, you know. All right, so let's go ahead and apply this wig. Now I usually use my Got2b glue, but I actually just ran out. So I'm gonna use the Gorilla Snot glue to lay down the wig. And then I will be using my Got2b glue to make sure it's secured. So let's go. So the thoughts that I have on this wig. First of all, I absolutely love the color on me. I mean, this is beautiful. It is stunning, and I think they did a great job as far as the color goes. I think that it is amazing. This is definitely giving me, though, yaki texture. A little bit more, though, like pressed compared to like blown out, but it's giving me yaki texture. I love the curls in it. I was having a difficult time though with the lace. That's why I had to hop off the camera and like try to do it on my own. And I did. And then I actually ended up, you know, doing better. I have regular scissors here. I can't find my shears. Usually I use my shears to take off my wig, to take off my lace from my wigs. But it's been a minute anyway for me, so I know it's not laid perfectly. But I do like it though. I am really enjoying the length. I am 5'3" and it's coming down. Let's see here. It's coming down to like right here. Right like underneath my breast. So it's coming out good. I do like it a lot. I mean, oh my goodness. After you cut off your lace, you do your baby hair and you do everything, it does shed. I mean, if it didn't shed before or a lot before, it's definitely shedding much more now. I have not put a hot comb or a any kind of comb or anything to this just yet. I have not done it. You know what? Let me actually hook it up and let's see how it actually hair. So let's get this to heat up. While it's heating up, this is cute. This is the part here. I'm gonna put some concealer in there. I mean, honestly, I don't even need to really do anything, boo. But I'm just gonna, I wanna try and see how this curls, straightens. I wanna see. Because like I said, these synthetic wigs nowadays have come an extremely long way compared to like the 90s and early 2000s. So if you want to get you a little synthetic wig, girl, you better get ahead and get you one. I think that I can do this way past my Halloween costume. I mean, I'm probably just going to continue to use it for whatever I'm going to use it for. You know, going out every day, running errands, going out on a cute little hot date night, you know. Look at this, like, you see that there? The ash, the highlights in this is crazy. And this is like a reach for me because I never usually do colors like this. But I figure, you know what, it's Halloween, let me branch out, let me try something new. And I'm just so excited I did. All right, so this is hot now. Let's see. So, okay, straightening really good. See how it curls. All right. Well, so it did curl. Let's try to see if I can get it to curl a little better. I suck at curling. Yeah, look at that. Very cute. But I don't want to actually curl it anymore because I like how it looks now. So I'm just going to leave it like this, boo. All right. Let's see how this looks. All right. Got my little baby hair popping, you know. So now I'm going to take my concealer. Okay, I'm going to take my concealer. This is what I have here. It is the MAC NC50 Studio Finish Concealer. I'm just taking just a little bit because this is like a clay concealer. So I don't really want to do too much, but I'll just go ahead and put it in the part. Okay, here we go. And I do like to put a little bit here too, so we can get a full look on this. And the hair is extremely flat too at the top, which is what I really like, because you know, when I buy synthetic wigs, the whole point is to just really get it to be as simple as possible, you know, as simple as you can do it. Sometimes you need to put in some work, which is understandable, but you know, I really just want a wig to where it's just as simple as possible. I don't have to really stress on it, worry about it too much, you know, and it's just simply just 1, 2, 3 for me. So, okay. Tell me what you guys think of this look down below. Like I said, I really like it. Look at these curls here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at curls here. Boom, boom, boom. You don't like it, the curls, you can straighten it out. You can do whatever you want. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Make sure you check out Outre's Color Bomb wig collection. I'll leave the link down below for where I got this from. It was just from Amazon. Came 2 days and boom, right on my head. And make sure you guys get you guys one. They have, like I said, six different colors. And yeah, so please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think on this about this wig on me. Flip it back. The side. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this wig. Let me know if you tried this collection. Let me know what you think. Please make sure you subscribe and continue to share. We have made 50 subscribers, guys. Yay! 50 subscribers, so make sure you continue to share and like my videos. And continue to subscribe and come through with the fam, okay? Bye!